Hey guys, this is Anthony Chirel on YouTube, and let's see. I was thinking about how a few videos ago I had showed some interesting locks, and it was kind of bothering me that one was an old Slaymaker lock that seemed to be a warded pick. In particular, you can tell from here, from the keyway that it's not a pin tumbler. So I kind of messed around with it with the worded picks, and I kind of felt like I got some, like I was kind of catching inside, but for whatever reason in that video I didn't really spend too much time on it. So it kind of, I was kind of thinking, I can't really pick a Medico or anything, but I could at least maybe, it kind of bothering me because I was like, well, it's a warded lock. I should kind of be able to. There's a pretty good chance I could actually get this thing open. So I wanted to do that. So I kind of messed around a little bit. I actually sprayed some Houdini, and that was good. It was good the second time around. The first time around, I was trying to get the little red straw in and sprayed it all over my hand. And it's a good thing I like the smell of Houdini because, it got all over my hand, and I think some other stuff around here. Anyway. So that was fun, but I did loosen this up a little bit. I'm not really sure if that ultimately helped. I do have this paper towel here because I'm still kind of wiping off the extra Houdini. The biggest thing was that I didn't know really if it was already open or what the situation was, because obviously it's been broken off here. So yeah, I basically messed around a little bit. I actually took out some shims. I've been, I ordered this, I don't know, a month ago or something, and I haven't really used the padlock shims, but because I was thinking, well, wait a minute, maybe this other, if it's a double locking thing, maybe I could do that. So and it does slip down in there, but it didn't really do anything. So, and then I was thinking, this is an older padlock. It's probably, maybe it doesn't have the double ball bearing or double mechanism inside on both sides. So anyway, I was kind of messing around watching another video, and I actually kind of got it open. I was surprised and shocked, and I guess like the 4-minute mile, now that I know it's possible, I can do it again. So I wanted to reclose it on camera and then try to pick it. And since I know it's possible, it should be doable. So I'm going to relock it. There it is. We locked it. We heard that click. And I sure as hell was going to save which one, because I did end up trying all 5 of these awarded picks. But I'm a little mentally wiped today for a couple reasons. One is I had a work-related holiday party last night, and I was there. So, all right, so this is where it catches in the middle, and it wouldn't turn all the way, and it kind of, in my last video, it kind of bothered me. I was like, well, something is catching in there, but it's not opening. What the heck? And I didn't want to force it. Anyway, yeah, so I was at a work-related holiday party last night and stayed to the bitter end, and I got to bed at 8 a.m., which made my brain like Swiss cheese today. I wouldn't exactly call it a hangover, because I didn't drink that much, but I really didn't drink that much. I was just freaking exhausted. Now, if I recall correctly, the trick with this, I was just kind of messing around. It gets caught kind of in the middle here, but that wasn't exactly where I got it when I opened it. So there's something going on inside. I did try to look. I got an otoscope recently, because I guess it's a cheaper version of a borescope, because borescopes are actually pretty expensive. But see, I know it's possible. I've done it before. Yeah, I was trying to find an accessible borescope. I thought maybe, I don't know, $150. I mean, I know that's not a small amount of money, but I thought, 200 tops. Not that I wanted to spend that much, but I thought, let's see what price point we're at. And my research into locksmith borescopes, those brands I was seeing, I think I saw some in the thousands. So that kind of put a kibosh on that idea. So, all right, now just like the 4-minute mile, I know it's possible. And before, this is when I was kind of messing around with it and going, no, I know it's possible. What the heck? And I was also saying, like, is this thing even, does it open at all? It just popped up. No, wait, no, it didn't. That was for me pushing it down, damn it. All right, this is all the stuff I went through the first time. Yeah, so my brain is Swiss cheese today. And you might think, did I have to stay till the bitter end? Well, you know, I'm trying to build relationships, yeah, I kind of did. I did and I didn't, but my nature is to go way overboard on things, kind of like Locksport. I'm subscribed to way too many channels. I don't know if I'm gonna have to pare down or whatever, because I am not. You know, I spent probably 2 hours today watching videos at two times speed, trying to catch up on videos, and I have a lot of other stuff I have to do in my work life and other life, so I don't know how I'm gonna handle that. But my nature is to dive into things. This is pissing me off that this isn't working, because I said I did it, I will do it again on camera. You know, I'm just gonna kind of mess around, because that worked for me last time. And anyway, so yeah, I gotta figure something out, because I'm also, if I'm watching videos and commenting on them, I'm also not practicing picking, which is why I continue to suck at it. I could mess around with the other worded things, but I know this one worked for me before. And I think when I did it, oh shoot, I'm probably not even on camera. I think when I did it that I was, I think I was kind of messing around with the point in the lock. It seems to catch in the middle, but I think I was kind of, it wasn't how far I was pushing it. It's kind of like what I was catching or where. I mean, I know the theory of the warded locks, so it's just a question of catching the right thing in here, I think. Or going the other way. I really don't. All right, I am not at all happy with, because, you know, I said it happened once. If it happened once, it could happen again. This is that skill beats luck thing that is on another channel. Well, unfortunately, with a lock like this, I can't just default to saying, screw it, I'm going to rake it. I'm either going to have to get it open within the next few minutes, or I'm going to have to bail, because this is not what I wanted to do, was subject all of you guys to a long period of watching me not succeed, which might be where we're at. But I know it is possible, like that 4-minute mile. Let's see, in other news, I sort of have had a little a small impressioning project, and I was sort of slowly working on it, and then I realized that when I first did it, I swear that I thought there were 5 marks on there, but then it occurred to me, I thought when I ordered this, or when I looked it up, because I ordered another one so I could check the keyway, it said 4 pins, and so I double checked that, and sure enough there were 4 pins. So the fact that my key blank has 5, I think means I screwed up. That would have to be the conclusion. So I'm gonna have to restart that project. And yeah, I don't even know how long this is. This is close to 10 minutes now. Jesus. All right. If I could adopt an attitude of not caring and screwing around, that kind of helped me last time. It was just a question of where I caught it in the lock. That was, let's mess around, and I swear to God it opened. Let's see. I was just messing around, and it was a question of where it was catching. And no, I'm repeating myself. Reference. Aha! You heard it, you saw it, I did it, thank God. Yeah, alright, cool, awesome, nice. Alright, let me wrap this up. I had a few other things. Let's see. Giveaway is still in process. I have a great idea. I'm actually waiting for something that I got from Jason, SE Lock and Key, a couple of his live Saturdays ago. It was kind of an impromptu giveaway or something like that, and I won it, which surprised the heck out of me, kind of like that lock just popping open. And he's going to send me some stuff. He said he already put it in the mail. He's a very generous, awesome guy. So I'm actually waiting to get those. If the giveaway is what I think it is, there's going to be several locks, and I think, you know, with some of these giveaways, if I do win them, it's probably going to be more than I need, and so I will very happily take a couple things and re-gift, you know, share with the community, etc. Because I don't want to sit on locks that, you know, it could be a long time before I can pick them, or, you know, if there's several of the same one, I don't know. I just, it's nice to send things back out into the community. So, all right, and all right, so I will see you all online, and I opened something, so cool, because my next video is probably not going to be an open. It is going to be, well, I'll let you see what it is. But anyway, all right, see you guys later, see you online, and bye.